Hello everyone. For our weekly assignment this week, I chose a rookie reader called How Do You Know It's Spring? And I've decided to do the Tier 2 technique, which is basically you choose Tier 2 words from the book that aren't commonly used in everyday language. I actually think this book is great for that because they're really introductory words like buds and sprouts and hibernation and migrate that are great for this because they do understand the concept and the word's not too hard to say, but they aren't really words that we use all the time. So how Tier 2 technique works is once I get finished with the book, we will go over specific words that we heard through the story. And so let's get started. So one of the words we discussed in our book today was buds. Can you say buds? Buds are the parts of plants that grow into leaves or flowers. Did you know that all the fruits and vegetables that you eat, almost all of them anyways, they bud before they grow into fruits and vegetables? Even all the flowers that you see growing in the ground, they came from buds. Can you say buds? All right, let's see if there's another word that we heard today that we haven't heard very much before. What about migrate? Can you say migrate? To migrate is to move from one place to another in search of warmth or food. Did you know that birds migrate? They fly where it's warm, where there's way more food to access on the ground because the ground isn't covered in snow. They can get to worms and fruits and things that they might eat that really aren't available in the wintertime. Can you say migrate? And then we move on to the next word. And the last word we're going to talk about today is sprouts. We heard that word in our book. Can you say sprouts? A sprout is when it begins to grow fast. That's when it's coming out of the ground very quickly, and it's typically right after the snow melts and all that water gets into the soil, and then that seed just sprouts right up out of the ground. Can you say sprouts? Great.